guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all my finished jewelry for the May 2024 Potomac Beads Treasure Box Whispers of Antiquity. I had a lot of fun with this. I only had one tutorial come out of this, but I made a couple different things, so I just wanted to share them with you. I did have a lot of stuff left over from this box. I didn't end up using the pearls. The month kind of got away from me this month, and I didn't end up using them, but I know I'll be using them for something. So I just, these were a couple little things I was working on one day while I was in my bead room. Nothing ever came of it. Not really sure. Just kind of, I was working on some little components and stuff. Kind of cute, but didn't really do anything with them. So they're just kind of in here, kind of, marinating, as they say. I like to make something and then let it sit for a while and figure out if I want to do something with it or not. So let's start with the earrings. So this was one of the pairs of earrings that I made using the 2-hole beads. Oh, I just love working with these 2-hole beads. They're so much fun. And then I used my own 11 seed beads. So this is the back of it. But I love these beads. I thought they were so pretty. So I had these, and then I made these that go with the hexagon amethyst necklace. That was the tutorial. So I loved these 3-hole beads. They were so much fun to work with. So just some cute little earrings that I made to go with it. And this is the hexagon amethyst necklace that I made. And there is a tutorial for this. I will leave the link below. And I ended up making 2 of them because I was working on one, trying to figure out the tutorial I wanted to do. And they'd given us so many beads that I was able to make 2 of them. So I made 2 of them. So yeah, I thought this was really pretty. So I love the way this turned out. And I thought it'd be cute to go with the earrings. I'll probably put these up on my Etsy shop at some point. And although, I don't know, because then I only get 1 pair of earrings. And I'm out of the purple beads. I used them all. So maybe I'll sell these separately as one. And then sell these 2. I'm not sure yet. And then the other necklace that I made was this. I was just kind of, trying out different shapes and everything. And I like the way this one turned out. I loved the colors this month. Then I just did a silver lobster clasp and some silver jump rings. But I've really been into making these kind of pendants and stuff. I think they're fun. And the earrings, and yeah, I thought these were really cute. I'm not really sure if you guys get the Potomac beads or not, but I will leave a link below. And this is the treasure box. So, and their YouTube channel, Allie, is the owner of it, her and her husband, and they've got some really great tutorials that they put out with the box. So, yeah, so I just kind of wanted to do a quick video and show you everything that I have here. So thank you everybody for watching, and stay tuned. I will leave a link to this tutorial. I will leave the video to the tutorial in the closing page on my video, so just stay tuned for it. And all of my information is below in the description if you're interested. And I hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.